What's going on, everybody? Hello, my lovelies, hello, my lovelies, hello, my lovelies. I feel like I'm doing the Dream face reveal. Hi, I'm Dream. Sorry, okay, my bad, yo. You low-key going insane as hell? Bro, I'm addicted, I'm serious, man. I love drugs. Ah! I just can't get enough, man. I'm like Max with the slots, dude.
When the mine is tea, but the craft is gag. So I'm dead as a Jonnaay playing Sky Wars.
Top. Light it on fire first. Light it on fire. Put it. No,
It's sinking. It's
Sid. Blast it.
It's sinking. It's
All right. Just shake it up. What? Move the hand back.
Upwards.
Upwards.
And then up here.
Yeah.
Screw it on.
Woo!
I'm not gonna lie.
Okay. I should not be trusted.
Kind of fall off and they're cooked. Then they're put onto a plate. And they're so beautiful.
You can tell he's being serious because he's crying about food.
And I eat them down using my mouth. And I chew them up using my teeth.
It's like a bluey grey. Yes, wait. Eyes blue like the Titanic. I'm going down like the Titanic. Stupid. I'm sorry. Barking makes me want to cry. I'm so sorry. Arf. To disconnect, you can start the hangout by saying the most outrageous shit you would never say on the stream. Yes, and I walked in there and I said, hey guys, you know, who flicking they been, is what I said. I walked straight in and I walked in with you know, with prowess. No, I didn't say that. That would have been wrong. Dropping in to say a quick hello, everyone. I can't watch today. Fuck you and fuck your Thanksgiving. Only thanks you should be giving is to me for being live on this glorious fucking day. Dude, fuck your Thanksgiving. Fuck your turkey. Don't actually, that's bestiality. That's disgusting. Yeah, we're getting sued, so if you want to hear more about it, we'll be talking about...
Help! There's a pervert next to me! Help! 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 There's a pervert next to me! Help!
Thank God my neighbors think I'm normal. Wow. Anyways, though... Oh, no, that feels bad. I feel like I'm gonna die. You can twist too. Ah! Why is my... I'm gonna die. And he's like, oh, I can't wait to open this box. Oh my God, it's a piece of drawn fan art from me. That's so cool. He opens another box. Whoa, there's some jewelry. Thanks, chat. And then he opens his third box. That smells weird. Is this a piece of poo? Is this a pile of steamy hot shit in my P.O. box? What the? What? Oh, it actually is poo. I thought it would. See? And you're all laughing.
Do you want back shots?
Low key, yeah. Wait, average Harry back shots? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wait, Jonnaay back shots?
Oh.
Wait, I can't stop Harry. Wait, Harry, I can't stop Harry. Harry, I can't. It's just...
Dude, I'm not on birth control.